welcome back. In today's video I'm going to unbox my Birchbox, my November Birchbox, and yeah, if you want to see what I got this month, then keep on watching. So I'm going to film this video very quick because it's super late. I really need to go to bed ASAP because tomorrow at 4 AM my alarm will be like, hello, good morning sweetie at 4 AM. I just filmed another video a little bit earlier, so that's why I'm wearing the same hair, that's a wig, makeup. So yeah, that's that. I'm pre-filming. As I said, I'm going to be back with my normal schedule in by the end of December. So yeah, so as I said, I'm going to cancel my Birchbox subscription because I am not happy with Birchbox anymore. So this month will be my last Birchbox subscription, so that's that. This month they collaborated with Vogue Spain because they made 30 years of existence, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, it says Birchbox times Vogue 30 years. Vogue Spain. I'm not gonna lie, super cute. Vogue. I'm curious to see what they included in this box, so let's see. It opens like this. And we have the info card and a coupon code, maybe. So yeah, if you want to subscribe to Vogue Spain, I'm going to let this code down below. You get 45 off from your annual subscription. So it's just a magazine. I mean, who buys magazine these days? Anyway, here's the info card and it says, if you like it, wear it. So yeah, Birchbox Vogue, it's a collaboration, and wow, I see some interesting stuff. Okay, rituals. Wow, I love rituals. Woo! Their products are so good. Oh my god, how many products I got this month? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. And a discount code. Wow, Birchbox. I'm not gonna change my mind, okay? So, we got Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom. I like foaming shower gel. I feel like they are so, I don't know, soft, foamy. And I do really love the white Ritual products. Oh my god, the body lotion and the hand cream, they smell fantastic, and also the smell lasts so long on me. And I'm planning to get the spray. The perfume is not a body, I mean, yes, it's a body perfume or a sheet perfume if you want to spray a little bit before you go to bed. But the white Rituals smell amazing. Wow, wow. So this is a sample size. I mean, it has 50 milliliters. That's cute, that's cute. Wow. So the full size retails for €4.50, and I think that's amazing because I thought it was a little bit more expensive. I don't know why. I mean, Rituals is not that expensive, depending on the product, of course. I'm excited for this one. Okay, I'm going to display them right here. Next, I don't know, let's do this next. This is from Naobay. It says recovery hair mask for dry and damaged hair. Checked. And oh my god, so it's a hair mask. Okay. The full size retails for €14.95, and let me smell this. Oh, it's sealed. That's cute. Oops. So I feel like the Naobay products have the same scent, like all the products. Smells like oranges, citrus kind of scent. It's not bad. I do really like it, but yeah, They all smell the same. I do have a few products from this brand. I got them in my Birchbox, obviously. So yeah, this is a hair mask. Next I'm going to go with this Manna Kadar. I don't know what. Whoops! I don't know what this is. So it came with this bubbly bag. I love these. Ooh, I love them. Anyway, so this is from Manna Kadar and it says Step 1, Prime. I'm guessing this is a face primer. No, it says eye and lip primer. Wow. I don't have any eye primer. Isn't that crazy? I do use concealer to prime my eyelids. I mean, I did have a eye primer from Bella-Pierre, but that was so bad. I threw it away. And also I got that in my Birchbox, but I don't like this type of primers. I do really like them in a squeezy tube. Like, I mean, I want them to be a little bit more creamy. I feel like they are not creamy enough in this packaging. I don't know. I have to try it. So, I don't know if this is the full size. It might be. Wow, this retails for 20 euros and 70 cents. So it says that this will make your eyeshadows last longer, like during the day, and also enhances the colors. And on the lips, it says that hydrates the lips and also makes your lipstick last longer. Okay, I have to put this to the test. This sounds promising. 20 euros, it's a lot. I don't think this is the full size, but hey, I have to give it a try. Cute. Okay, so let's continue, shall we? I think I'm going to go with this little guy. This is by the brand Sabon. I did get from them a shampoo and a hair conditioner, I guess. Also in my Birchbox subscription. So this is the 3-in-1 facial mud scrub mask. And it's so tiny. Spread an even layer avoiding the eye area. Massage well for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave on for 20 minutes. 10 to 10 top. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Oh my god! Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes and remove using damp tissue or warm water. Okay, let's see how it is. Oh, also it's sealed. So it's grayish black. So you can just exfoliate your face or you can leave it as a mask. That's interesting. Smells minty. Oh yeah, and it has tiny bits in it. Yeah, it smells very minty and a little bit like mud, if that makes sense, but it smells nice. Wow, this retails for 50 euros. What? Okay, very interesting. Sabon. What? We have 3 more products and I'm going to go with these 2 because I know what that is. It's perfume. So these are by the brand ISDIN. This brand is actually expensive and very good. Very nice with the skin. They have very nice products, but I feel like they are a little bit too expensive for my pocket. So I got the Pigment Expert Pigment Correcting Serum, and then I got the Night Peel Exfoliating Night Peeling. Okay, so this is to correct like sunspots. I do have one right here. It's pretty huge. It's from the sun. This summer was super intense, but I feel like right now is a little bit toned down. It's not that intense because I'm not that much under the sun. So yeah, so this is to correct that, like sunspots. And you have one for the day and one for the night. So I guess you have to apply this one during the day, and when you go to bed apply the black one. It says exfoliating night peeling. So yeah, interesting. This retails for 33 euros and 45 cents. Wow, I feel like all the products are very expensive this month. Vogue. So they are super cute. They are, as I said, they are little ampoule. So they look. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. This is interesting. So I guess if you don't want to use the whole thing, they give you like a cap, so you not waste all the product. Or maybe this is for safety, like this is glass and when you break it you can cut yourself, so I guess this is a cap for safety. Wow. And last but certainly not least, we have a perfume sample. This is by the brand Tous. And is there, oh, the Origin. Yeah, let's see how this smells. Oh, the Origin Eau de Parfum. My French sucks. Okay, let's spray this and see how this smells. Wow, this reminds me of someone. This reminds me of someone, but I don't know who. I feel like this smells like their original Tous, like the pink bottle. I had that perfume. Wow, amazing. So I guess that's what reminds me of, because it smells pretty similar. This is a little bit more strong, if that makes sense. It's not as sweet, but it's still sweet. And wow, it smells so delicious. But this perfume, I mean not this one, the full size, retails for 84 euros. Wow! I don't know why perfumes are so expensive, like the good ones. I mean, yeah, I do understand because they are good. But 84 euros. Okay, my loves, so this was my November Birchbox, and honestly, I am impressed. I think Vogue chose the product selection because Birchbox sucks lately. So I'm impressed. I don't know what to say about the hair mask, but I have to give it a try, of course. This perfume, oh my god, smells delicious. And yeah, I cannot wait to try this shower gel because I already know how this smells. I'm going to enjoy that in my shower. Also, I'm curious to see how this eye primer from Manna Kadar works. Yeah. I'm going to put down below in the description bar the code for the magazine, the Vogue magazine, if you want to subscribe to their magazine. But remember that this is Vogue Spain, so if you live in Spain and you want to get their magazine at home, use the discount code. And also I feel like this will work for one person, like one entry only. And yeah, I honestly buy magazines only for the gifts. I hope I'm not the only one who does that. And yeah guys, this was my November Birchbox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. It smells extra, like so extra. I have to give it a try, like a try. Wow, I feel like my brain and my mouth, they don't want to collaborate today. Neither my camera wants to collaborate with me today, but I'll keep trying. The thumbnail for my video, and this lady came to say hi. Can you say meow? Can you say meow? Mish? Mish? Shady. Okay, and I'm back. Stay hydrated. Meow. meow? Can I hear a meow? She pours. How sweet is she?